Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma, Ulapan Pau Kajing Sngosi, Bat Snodiau Halor Kajing Klatno Ratan Naval Tata, Ubade Chairman ke Emeritus Tata Group, Omdei Tang Ba Ulalong Uwei Neki Hespa, Henry Utata Ulano Senyang Ru Shikadei Shaka Imlang Kasalang. Nakaliang Menteri Rangba Ulapan Pau Bagajing Klatno Ratan Tata, Kalong Kajing Du Kabakrawe Kari, Namar ki kam ki babha ki jong u ki ba ulano senyang ya kari barok kawai bat ka jingla jong u ban pen kentiu ya kari India hakayo kakon. Menteri Rangba ula Kynmaw ru ya ka jingno senyang Ratan Tata ling ba ka Tata Trust ya ka jing penlong ya ka Meghalaya Baby League kabala sedang ha usnam arja khat pra kabala penlong biang ha usnam arjar khat khandai bat arjar arpo haswa ban pen thotno ka klam COVID-19. Watla Ratan Tata uklamwan darade shaka jilla Henry Menteri Rangba ulapan Kynmaw ba Ratan Tata ula ai ka jingkershan barat ba ban penyat bat penlong ya ka lumpung ya lekai ki khulung hapo ka jela hakitu ki por haka juga por Menteri Rangba ulapan Kynmaw ya ka jingkershan jeng Ratan Tata haka por ba ka klam COVID-19 kala shop ya kari dak ba pha ya ki mar ki baran kam shaki jela ula ongru ba ka jingno senyang jeng Ratan Tata haringkat ka jinglong ba bha jeng u ka jing sebun ka jing sngoret bat ka jinglong sngur kalapan kala ya kajing jong kibriu bat kalong ka be bandan ki ba mi bujeli kumau ula benram.
I am deeply saddened to learn and hear about the demise of late Ratan Tata ji. He was of course a very well known figure, not just because of how he transformed the industry, transformed the Tatas, but also for all his philanthropic work and especially his kindness to people of all statures. And I think that's what he will be remembered most for his kindness and for his humility and for his simplicity. Though he never had come directly in touch with us during his lifetime, but like many other states and many other organizations and many other people, late Ratan Tata ji had touched many lives. And in Meghalaya also, even though he was not directly, as I said, there physically present during that time, but through his work, many programs like the Meghalaya Baby League we had was supported by the Tata Trust, whether it was even during the COVID time when we were facing large challenges, supplies of different products were given by the Tata Trust, not just to our state but to many other states and to many other communities and organizations. And that's the kind of impact that a person can have, and that speaks volumes of what late Ratan Tata ji had contributed. As I said, it's not just about him, but the ecosystem he created around himself has transformed people, transformed companies, transformed lives, and he has left a mark in the nation and in the world as a whole, which I'm sure will be very difficult to replace. And he will always, as I said, be remembered not just for his contribution to the industry and to economics and to growth of the nation, but also for his simplicity, for his humility, for his kindness, and just for the human being that he was.